anticipate by 6 o'clock we are done because of the Timalet Batalwago for the Zoom. But nonetheless, Malunga, we thank you so much for being part of this meeting. I will, at this juncture, hand over to Chairman Wetfu, Mr. Godfrey Njalinjali. Over to you.
Siyabonga kakhulu, Vice, siyabonga kakhulu Nkosi. Sibonge eMaswati. Ukuthi itsela kwawo ukuthi abengathatha lelithuba ukuthi atosilalela njengamandla omnotho lekulithuba lethu thina eMaswati nekuwabongela nje eMaswati ukuthi abe nenhlanhla yekokuthi amandla omnotho akhone ku-identify the country of Eswatini njengoba aglobal amandla omnotho asemhlabeni wonke. Ukhulu kakhulu lokho nanenhloso yawo ikakhulu ukudevelopa eMaswati. Sibonile itolo ema-investors efika eveni laKangwane afike ya-investe emva kwaloko athathe ahambe ngoba molo investako investela yena ma investor nje namhla uinvestela wena wedwa ukuthi kukulungele wena. Sikubonile kitolo but amandla omnotho kufika kwawo ukuthi ato-developa lekungijabulisa ngawo ukuthi adevelopa i-individual and aqala emntwaneni phasi e-primary ukuthi uma sengabe i-agriculture iyalinywa etikolweni e-primary loyo mntwana akangasalimeli kuyisa esiswini noma kumikisa ekhaya kepha akalimele ukuthi ati-develope yena atothi makakhula afike e-university abe anemali lebekiwe njeke. Namuhla siyabona ukuthi inkinga tingakanani. So uma ngabe amandla omnotho efika athi ngido-developer from primary school, from grassroots, from nothing to something. Loko Maswati ngiko ngithi ngiyanibongela. Siyatibongela kakhulu kokuthi besingatholakala nathi sinaleli thuba leli. Lokho ukuthi singaba neamandla omnotho lathi afika akhulise ingondvo, akhulise umsebenzi, akwende kokuthi ukhone kutimela, ungatimeli nje ngekulima kuphela noma ngemsebenzi but nasengqondweni naloko ukuthi ufundziseke ukuthi kopha umsebenzi uphathwa kanjani, uphila kanjani, lengutsandzako lokunye i-character iyakhiwa kwamandla omnotho ukuthi noma ngabe sonemali kangakanani kodwa akusiyona ibhizinisi nayingena character nayingena similo. Siyakubonga lokho kakhulu Maswati. Kwangathi bekungafinyelela nakulabangekho labo ukuthi labaqabanga ukuthi emandla omnotho ayefika. They are more than 10 years I exist emhlabeni and asane bosomabhizinisi laba more than 100,000 labakhona lese bakhona ukuthi developer ba developer nalabanye batalwa ngamandla omnotho. So nje kafishane ngingakathuli president ngisho ukuthi Maswati asibeni nako nekwadi lokho ukuthi amandla omnotho awadluli, amandla omnotho awasiso scam kodwa afike eveni laKangwane kutosithuthukisa thine eMaswati project lamanengi lamanye thina sibonelite. There are more than 40 projects that are coming in the country of Eswatini. Bekufanele sibeke na ipa njengoba sathi kokuthi malunga si Maswati sinale conference yamhla ka1 lesicela ukuthi simemane sonke sitolalela sitokuva kokuthi emandla omnotho asiphathelene in terms of market, in terms of opportunities, in more especially hayi kuqasha but ukuthi qasha wena ukuthi wena ugrabha yipi project, wena ugrabha yipi idea and lonke ngichaza ukuthi noma une idea wena lengekho noma lengekho ku list hey mina ngicabanga kwenta nawo amandla omnotho ayakufunela imarket akutholela imarket ukuthi lolo kwendako wena ungakubingisa la. So Maswati nje kafishane bekufanele sibe na sisithandeka waka ipa kodwa ke unfortunate akabasatholakala kepha ke sinayo conference iselwe leliviki linye eMaswati ukuthi asimemanene, ngiyanincenga fikani lapha, ngeke nitisole, angeke nitisole, niyawuphuma lapha senithi uyathi kube mane kwangasheshe ngakwati lokho, namhla ngangiyimillionaire. Siyabonga kakhulu Maswati ngalokhu ngokuthi thoba Shwabade omkhulu noNkosi wena wangasenhla kuyintokozo sonke isikhathi wena lwafika wavula emehlo eMaswatini. Ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi ulithemba lethu thina eMaswati, siyatiqhenya ngawe. Nali lithuba Shwabade lokusivusela kuba nawe njengababa. Siyabonga nje kakhulu. Ngiyacela Shwabade uvusele eMaswatini, akulalele, akujabulela, ayakuthanda wena wangasenhla.
Ngiyabonga kakhulu Mr. Njali, chairman wamandla omnotho eSwatini. Ngibingelele naku chairman womhlangano, vice chair Mr. Dlamini Philakazi, na wonke amalunga akhona amandla omnotho eSwatini. Okwami ngicabanga ukuthi akukuningi bekunene ngale ukuthi ngibulise ngibingelele njobe esecelile uchairman. Sesike saba ne session last time ebesikhuluma kakhulu ngamandla omnotho so that sicacisele wonke umuntu ukuthi amandla omnotho ayini, amandla omnotho abhekephi njengalokho esebekile uchairman. Ngifisa ke mhlambe ukuthi ekubingeleleni kwami nginirefer kubantu abasafuna ukwazi kabanzi ukuthi sinayo i-YouTube channel Amandla Omnotho TV on YouTube, lapho ukwazi ukucoshela zonke izinkulumo zethu, including neyayichaza kabanzi ngokuthi yini amandla omnotho and anayiphi agenda yethu i-clear eyokuthuthukisa ama-Africa ke from Cape to Cairo, from east to west. Excuse me. So ke unikhuthaza nje Maswati lamahle ukuthi uma ningathola ithuba nami nilalelisise lapho ukuthi amandla omnotho i-purpose yawo yini. But for tonight mhlambe sekungaba ukugcizelela okusho chairperson. It's a pity ukuthi Ipa is not here with us. Kodwa okusho chairperson udaba lwe-conference engumhla ka-1 kuNovember 2025 khona lapho eSwatini kwaManzini. So I'm sure bazosinikeza ama-details ukuthi yini ezokwenzakala. Mhlambe nje ukukha phezulu from my side ukulandela amazwi ka-chairman ukuthi sifisa wonke amaSwati athuthuke kwi-economy, akwazi ukuthi a-participate kwi-economy, akwazi ukuthi a-owne khona lento ekuthiwa i-means of production, a-owne economy, a-owne finance, a-owne the natural resources, a-owne the capital, which is finance, aphinda owne futhi ne-labor yawo, but abe ama-entrepreneurs azodriver this whole Eswatini economy. Akukho mnandi ukuthi uma ekhaya kini kanjalo abantu abafikayo sonke isikhathi bafike bakuphathe nje kanjalo bagcine sebekuthuma ukuthi njalo hamba usithathe usigezele izitsha, njalo hamba osilandela iy'nkomo ney'mbuzi, njalo hamba osenzela ukuthi nokuthi. Lokhu ngikushiso ukuthi as much as we are an open economy which accepts investors from all over, but njengama-Afrika fanele sikufunde ukuthi kufanele i-economy yethu eSwatini i-drive thina njengamaSwati. Namhlanje isilo sethu la kwaZulu sise Dubai siyohlangana nomunye wama-sheikhs. Mhlambe some of you saw the news, and it's the same thing. If you go to those countries, uzofika uthole ukuthi the country is driven by the Emiratis, babizwa kanjalo, the United Arab Emirates. That includes Dubai, that includes Saudi Arabia and all other Arabic countries. Like the economy is driven by them. As much as you'll have investors, but you'll have investors at least having less than 50% or 30% of the economy. but you've got the economy largely sitting in the hands of the people who belong to that country. That's very important because those people are very patriotic. They're never going to leave their country because they love their country. Bangumsinsi wozimilela bazalwele lapho in that country. So we are encouraging ukuthi eMaswati, as you know, ukuthi your economy is 80% owned by, or you rely more from the foreign goods and services. We're encouraging you to own your economy, have share in your economy, own means of production, own factories, own productive assets like property, own the agricultural sector, and let your land work for you as eMaswati. And uMasizake lapho on the 1st, we are busy asking you, please make sure you invite one and all. Ni-invitane, nize in these conferences. These conferences, they are not about us making money. I did explain last time, we're not making money out of you. We are simple, trying to expose you to opportunities. Abaningi benu abanganawo. Umasileta labantu will be bringing people from Malawi. These people, just a plane to Malawi, it's about 18,000 rand. Actually, to travel in Africa is more expensive than traveling overseas. These people, some of them, they'll be flying down on their own, down there to Eswatini, and it will be very expensive for you to carry those people, and pay for them. So I'm just addressing a point sometimes where you're born with abantu bayababuze bathi ay sesiyacharge manje baSwati le information singayithola mahala and all of that. Yes, you are free to get the information for free from the government, because the government is meant to do that. But what is unique about this program is we are not just giving you information for free, but we're bringing abantu abazonikeza ama-off-takes. Abazothi nansi off-take here Moringa, nansi off-take here Mbuti, and you'll be having such people. Abazothi abafuna ukukhulisa imbuti, but how do you grow lezo mbuti? You have to grow them in this particular way. Then we can take those goats from you. You must organize yourselves like this. Those who want to get into bamboo, last time we missed our bamboo lady. She was sick with pneumonia. This time she's coming. And again, those who want to get into cassava, we are saying here is the cassava production or market, etc., etc. Those who want to get into these nuts, these types of nuts, and all of that. So we'll be having those people coming to talk to you and giving you markets and say, the market needs this. Can you fulfill this? Can we work towards this? And as eMaswati, please, izani nonke ukuze nizokwazi ukuthi nibe part yale conference ezonisiza to empower you. So Chairperson, I think that's all on my side. Bekukubingelela ngase ngithi nje mhlamba ngigcizelele ukuthi we are coming to Eswatini precisely for that reason. We started last year, and I'm happy with the progress. Today, we are having a factory. As I speak, kuyakhiwa a factory thanks to the Department of Commerce, Honorable Khumalo, who's been at the forefront of pushing this Nababe cruiser, or Honorable Nyampala. There's other big things that we are implementing, including the biodiesel, biofuel. That's $500 million project. And that is a very important project because Izodinga 40,000 hectares of land for Moringa. So we've been there, we've explained and presented, and you've got to get yourself ready. Prepare your mind, prepare yourself, prepare your land so that you really can be part of this. But that is dependent on a number of other things in the project because it's very big. It's not a small project, which will employ no less than 3,000 people, direct employment. So manje yilokho esithi masiza lapho eSwatini sisuke sizobe sosebenza ngempela, same as nala South Africa. For those that have been here, they've seen what we're doing, and we're working very hard to emancipate and empower African people and Southern African people, meaning in our region in 16 countries. Thank you so much, Chairperson. Just to emphasize on that, and may you have a good meeting. So hand over when again. Thank you.
Thank you so much, President. Thank you for the brief presentation. We'll see what are we looking ahead to. Maswatla mahle. Maswatla mahle njengoba besitho ukuthi lamuhla bekufanele ukuthi sibe na IPA. Unfortunately, sisithandeka ube held up. Sangakhona ukumthola for that reason. Maybe President, you may request my sharing rights. La nangdo sharisha poster yethu. Yeah, your conference, and then we'll just run through the few key speakers that abakhona le conference. Lesita ukhona ukuthi sibe nawo. Malunga maswatla mahle lokumqoka ngakithi ukuthi asi-inviteni as much as we can bantu ukuthi babe khona, because these are very big initiatives langazange sekabonakala eSwatini. Uyikhulumile chairman indzaba ukuthi we have always had people come and invest bahambe naloto timali abati-investako because vele ba-investela for their pockets. But this time around sifuna ukuthi imali circulate around Swatini, isuke eSwatini linye elinye eLeswati, aphinze amaSwati abe ngiwo lama-investors khona la khathe ekhaya. Ngiyabonga nje President mawukhuluma ngetindzaba tabo Emirates, people who are very proud of their own country and they develop their own country, and it's very possible ukuthi nathi sikwende lokho Maswati. Na iposter yethu Maswatla mahle for our conference as we prepare for the 1st of November 2025, our biggest conference ever. I will say it's a big conference Maswatla mahle because njengoba niyibona the title, it's a market access opportunities. Asiyokhuluma nje kuphela amaswati ukuthi yenda ini ulime ini ufuye ini, kodwa sithi mase ucede ukufuya lokulota abukufuyile so bese sokuthengisa kuphi a guaranteed market lapho utabe sokuthengisa khona. So it's very important maswati ukuthi wathi ukuthi lokungisebenta kangaka nje lokule ngikusebentako kubhekaphi. Hence ke maswati, this is why we are bringing such a big conference. Again, sibonga amandla omnotho ukuthi asinikete leyo opportunities as eMaswati to be part of these great initiatives. Maswatla mahle. Ma guest artists noma ma key speakers esitaba nawo malunga kuna Miss Nomonde Shezi lo tabe akhuluma ngemakethe ye livestock access in the BRICS market. We are very aware siyayikhumbula iBRICS ukuthi masikhuluma ngeBRICS sikhuluma ngeBrazil, Russia, India, China, South Africa. Mangikhumbula kahle nyalo sekuthiwa iBRICS Plus. BRICS Plus, sengicishe ngithi BRICS Plus 1. Sekuthiwa iBRICS Plus because there's other countries that are partaking now ku BRICS. So thina ke Maswati sitayithola kanjani and how should we grow them, how should we breed, how should we nagekela the livestock Maswati. The next guest speaker esitaba naye ngu-BMJ Mbatha, yena ukhuluma ngetimbuti, goat development industry. Nakuloko ke Maswati siyathi ukuthi thina labanengi sinato timbuti manje nje siyatifuya ukuthi kukamkhulu la mkhulu bekanato timbuti, ngako ke nama ngichubeka naleyo legacy yetimbuti kanti asathi ukuthi imali leyo. Ngiye ngimangale ke mina eMaswati ukhanze segcwele timbuti la emigwacweni, lenye seyishayisekile, lenye sebayithethe abantu ngoba lo mnikati akayinaki, letinye setiseskidi. So bese sengiyadibuta ukuthi le mali ifunana emgwacweni, because once you see livestock guaranteed that is money. So Babe Mbatha noma umnakethu Mbatha will come atosidekela ke ukuthi Leyo livestock leyo, how do we then develop it into a industry lapho sitawukhona kuyithenga khona? We are very aware Maswati ukuthi sinato tihlobo tetfu letihle tentabo Ramadan tiye tifune timbuti nato. But how many of us Swazis are able to supply that to them? Timbuti which have very good meat. So nakuloko ke Maswati fanele ukuthi sibe bantfu laba capable to do that. Angiphindze ngichubeke Maswati ngithi silabe sina Dr. Shela Mugalia, ngiyathemba siyambona lapho kuleti thombe. Dr. Shela Mugalia ke Maswati utene initiative lenhle kakhulu. Lethi kithi siMaswati mawunaye banana, mawulima banana sale umlima ngekucophelela, umlime futhi ngekuwunaka, ulime ngekuwuthandza. Dr. Shela Maswati wakha biodegradable sanitary pads. Wakha biodegradable sanitary pads. Shothi wakha out of the product ya banana. So Maswati lamahle si tabe sinaye Dr. Shela tabe asitshela nje na ukuthi kuye kudzingeke ini mawufuna kwakha lokho. Sinenhlanhla ke ukuthi sekukhona inkampani vele lela Swatini lese engagile Dr. Shela to start manufacturing lama products in-house khona la Swatini. Then ke utabe sisoyasisita ukuthi senda kanjani kuloko. But utabakhona ke Maswati sitawukhona kumbuta as much questions as we can ask. Lokumcoka kakhulu Maswati ukuthi sanitary pads lesinawo awakhona kuhlangana nemhlabathi. Shothi abanga pollution. Ngako ke lawa lesitawo leta na Dr. Shela uyakhona ukuthi makafakwe lapha kubo landfill akhona kuba diffusible into the soil. Angabange pollution. Sekuna Davison Chikazunga yena utabakhuluma nge-hemp market. Utayichaza kabanti ke Dr. Mnaketfu Chikazunga i-hemp market. Sitawuva broadly ukuthi singasitana kanjani naye kuloko Maswati. Sicela ukuthi sichubeke sikutelane to be part of this great conference letabakhona. Highlightile President indzaba ya Miss Nelsiwe Caba wakhuluma ngema-academia market, value chain. Macadamia siyathi Maswati ukuthi magodomane. So magodomane nawo sitabe sicoca indzaba yawo kule conference lenkulu kangaka letako Maswati. Please avail yourselves asifune Maswati aselele emuva. Uye at little Bible wathi Mordecai ku Esther, if you do not act now, God will send someone else to do it on our behalf. So Maswati asifuni labanye bantfu basishiye ngemuva who will start acting on our behalf because we have failed. Let us take this opportunity. Let us exploit the market. Let us penetrate the market. Asingeneni Maswati sisebende ngetandla tetfu umhlaba sinawo asiwusebentise to our benefit and develop economy yaseSwatini sinyuse i-GDP yaseSwatini. Sekuna Miss Angela Nyima. Miss Angela Nyima ke nguye lokukhuluma nge-cassava market. Ukuthi cassava market mawutawulima ama-cassava mana ngiwadi ngeSiswati sengwakhohlwa kuthiwa yini. Utangisita chairman mangicedza nje this short presentation ukuthi kofa i-cassava kuthiwa yini ngeSiswati. Mutasitekela naye Miss Angela Nyima indzaba ye-cassava market ukuthi ikuphi kwawuyona le cassava yini ilinywa njani ibenefita ini. But kakhulu Maswati ngicabanga ukuthi kufanele sikunotice umhlaba sowujikile. Umhlaba sowukhweshile kulama pharmaceutical medicines. Sebabuyele kuma natural herbs umhlaba. Ngako ke Maswati umhlaba wathiwa se-Africa utholakale ukuthi u-rich kakhulu uyakhona ukukhulisa ema-herbs. Bantu ke sebafuna ukuta ke into Africa to start working on the ground of Africa and produce those herbs for their countries. Ngiko ngithi ke Maswati sitawukhanza vele sebas overtake better into our countries to start working on our land to benefit their land. So Maswati, it is time for us to stand up. It is time for us to start working. It is time for us to take na opportunity lenkulu Maswati lesembi kwethu ukuthi sithuthukise live laseSwatini nathi sithuthukise Maswati. Kule poster Maswati sishito ukuthi mawuta uthenga lithikithi early litabang 250 emalangeni kofa mata ugcine soluthenga eminyango litabang 350. Acelile ke Maswati ukuthi sifake nakuMomo our Momo number Maswati utabe usuyabhala lapha ukuthi conference ireference iMomo number yethu lesisebenzisako ya treasurer wethu singu amandla omnotho eSwatini inombolo yakhe ithi 76147085 76147085. Sita update iposter yethu Maswati sitayifaka le nombolo lapho kule poster mstaphinze sihambise futhi nakuma groups ukuthi sikhone kuyitfola le nombolo lapho sitawukhona kuthenga khona lithikithi. Maswati lamahle, I think this is as far as ngingakhona kupresenter loku lesite ngako lamuhla in the absence of IPA, but IPA Maswati sigcine simtfolile because fanele asitekele ngema trade agreements and how we singena njani kulama trades la khona lapha eAfrica. So before sifike conference ngicabanga ukuthi IPA stamtfola atosi presentela a few presentations on our trade agreements. Maswati, thank you so much for kusiniketa lelithuba to present to you and to share with you indzaba ye conference letako ngiyaphinza Maswati. This is a very exciting, a very big conference. Umhlangano wethu utabulapha eGeorge Hotel mhla ka 1 November uqala nga 8 ekseni ngoba sinema presenters lamanengi sitawu vele siqale Maswati lamahle utaba khona na Minister of Agriculture naye utabe akhona kutosemukela nje kulomhlangano lomkhulu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, President. Over to you, Chairman.
Wow. Thank you so much. Lesihlalweni siyabonga kakhulu. Inkosi siyabonga nje kakhulu indlela lo presente ngayo. Uma ngikhumbula kahle iCassava ngathi ngumjumbula. But eMaswati atangilekelela kodwa nje uma ngikhumbula kahle ungathi ngumjumbula. Nkosi sowushaye wabeka esikhongosini kwami sekubonga nekugcizelela nekuqela eMaswatini ngokuthi Maswati ake sisukumene sitimele, ake sisukumene sisebenze sithi develop njengoba lithuba naliqhamuka into leshodako eMaswati ayasebenta, ayalima, ayafuya, yebo lamanye afuyela nje angafuyela ibhizinisi kepha amandla omnotho asalethe lithuba lokuthi tsanisa uyonke into loyendako uyafuya, uyalima ngoba ihamba izifike noma unetindlu teqashisa une-idea yema guest house noma ngangilophi ihlobo le-idea lona amandla omnotho they are there to help you ukuthi udevelopheke wena yourself. So kuqela Maswati ukuthi asisukumene sithi sebentele sitawuyekela lokho ukuthi sitahamba ukhanze umuntu sowuhleli kuFacebook sowugcina ukhuluma nento lengafanele uyikhulume sowungena la kwathi sowugcina uphendvula nala kungakafanele uphendvule khona kanzi uma sitawuba busy Maswati livela kangwane ngiyaphinza ukuthi litawunjinga uma nje singasukuma sibe nalomqondo webusiness sibe nalomqondo kokuthi we want to work njengoba lamagama lamathathu asho kwamandla omnotho sifuna lokusebenza sifuna lokuthi lamagama asebende let's implement yabo noma ke lelesibili mhlambe lona lihlukile lithi implement but naleli sithathu ka lisebenzise nalo lithi implement ngalame magama lokho ukuthi asisita Maswati ukuthi wonke umuntu nesizukulwane lesitako sikhanze sinelutho eveni lethu langwane lincane ke leli vela kangwane kanti linemnotho lomnengi njengoba nje amandla omnotho alethe ama-project langaka eveni kangwane sesiqalile nekuqala asisakhulumela ukuthi siya conference nje sisawuqoqa sesiyopresenta ukuthi naku lesesikwendile eMaswati naku la siya khona eMaswati sukumane present ubalile few of the projects that we are going to do that we have started. So all of that those who are coming, those projects that are coming, nale ma speakers laletako nje sisho Maswati ukuthi asiketeli ukutodla imali yena njengoba asho president ukuthi kusuka le kutala kungimalini eMaswati atana kahle ukuthi i-economy noma ke elivela kangwane lime kanjani in terms of economy nokuthi lime kanjani ngendzaba yetimali. So ke siyadzinga lokuthi sibambisane uma ubuka ukuthi utawuthola iproject lengaka masikhuluma ngema-projects langaka nje ukuthi lawa lasavela aqalile nalawa letayo ukuthi ngimalini le mali lotabu yakha namhlanje ukhalela 350 ukuthi nje ungene egedeni 250 ukuthi umbhadare before. Ingakho Maswati sithi ake mane simncenge simcele ukuthi understandani lokho ukuthi lokhu lesikwendako asikwenteli ithi njoba kuna 10 years more than 10 years amandla omnotho akhona 100,000 wabosomabhizinisi lese bakhona basebenza. This is not a scam. So siyaqela Maswati nalabanye noma bachazela kungathi lamandla omnotho angangena undawuthini ngekukholwa uwa visualize ube nayo lento la enhlitweni ukuthi lento ngiyayibona nayo uyivisualize ukuthi this is where we are going and I'm telling you we're going far. So ngiloko nje Maswati lengakusho kafishane ukuthi siyaqela kokuthi asiparticipate asibe khona kasimemela labanye babe khona. Amandla omnotho awekho greedy. Amandla omnotho ajabula kabi uma kabona umuntu athi ufuna kwenda iproject noma ngathi lo munye la eceleni uyayenda le project kutabe solo kushoda ukuthi akungene labanye eceleni. Amandla omnotho into la ngijabulisa ukuthi lama project akusiko lokuthi angivule kwami lokho bese ngiba nemona ukuthi kwakusupply ngeke sikhona le market enkulu kakhulu livela ngwa njengoba nje sifuna 40,000 hectares we managed to get 20, which means usathingeka more and more. Ngulapho la ngithi asimane sihlolisane khona simane si-understand lokho Maswati ukuthi sikhona nje amandla omnotho to develop from grassroots. And our greening up developer, they train lo ukuthi lento lo yenda utawuyenda kanjani. Kwesithathu imakethe yaloku nayi and le makethe lena ayisiyo nayo scam. Ngoba ngitothe into letimbili etshode ukuthi ifunding uyithola kuphi. Amandla omnotho they are there to help that. Imakethe ke ikuphi. Amandla omnotho is there to help you on that. So ngiloko ngithi Maswati nje ngokuthi thoba sibonga nalesikhathi senu. Sibonga nje kakhulu ukuthi uma singabambisana silivela kangwane singaya khashane Maswati nakunebantu labathi hluphako labanye ushito president ukuthi batawuthi sukela bona ngemali yabo just to help eMaswati. Lokho kufanele ukuthi sikubuke ukuthi sithanziwe alingaphunyuki ke lelithuba sithi khanze ukuthi kumele ngabe siye eNineve sesiye eTarashish kumele ngabe siye eTarashish sesiye eNineve asiqonzeni ngo eGeorge Hotel mhla ka1 November uthi kushaya nje 8 o'clock sibe sesihlethi phasi sonke sesitolalela kube ngilo yakho uthi mina ngidawungena ngala mina ngidawungena ngala mina ngithanza le mina ngithanza ngile iproject mina ngidawungena ngile. Ngicela nje kuyibeka lapho lo sesihlalweni ukuthi nangivule lithuba ukuthi nabe bakhona labangaba nemibuto mhlambe sibanikele lithuba Nkosi babude. Ngiyabonga lo sesihlalweni.
Siyabonga kakhulu Chairman wamandla omnotho eSwatini. Siyabonga kakhulu Maswati njoba sika Shito Chairman. Cela kuvula lelithuba sivulele ama-comments siphinde sivulele nemibuto. Anyone lonembuto ngidawubona ngesandla. Going once, going twice. Sibonga kakhulu Chairman. Amandla omnotho eSwatini ngibona kude sandla lapha. Ngibone nje i-comment kuphela lethi ngumjumbula. I-cassava bathi ngumjumbula. Mhlambe Chairman sengidawucela nje ukuthi ubonge eMaswatini ukuthi abe khona emkhathini wethu. Nekunigqugqutela nje eMaswati ukuthi imihlangano lefana nalena itaqhubeka ibe khona. Sike sahamba na Chairman savakashela emahhovisi ahulumende. Sakhanza ukuthi opportunities noma i-funding le-under hulumende ikhona iningi kakhulu mane seMaswati asadi ngayo. So sitaba nawo ma-presenters Maswati lata sichazela ngalayo ma-funding lawo. Basitshele nema-limitations akhona nema-requirements. Sitawukhona-ke ukuthi siMaswati sikhone ku-accessa lokho. Maswati nami Chairman wemhlangano wanamuhla ngithi angibonge kakhulu. PRO wethu make Dumsile Simelane uphathekile ngabe ubanjwa nguye umhlangano, but nje siyabonga ukuthi naye ukhona kulomhlangano. Sibone ukuthi sichubeke emalunga lamahle. Siyabonga Maswati lamahle, siyacela ukuthi emathuba lanjena nichubeke nibe part of, emathuba lanjena niwalambele, emathuba lanjena nichubeke eMaswati niwafune lapho ngakhona. Nimhluphe na amandla omnotho eSwatini kuva ukuthi sekumephi loku-ke sekumephi kakhulu emva kwe conference mase badeclareile labadeclarako ukuthi ikhona imakethe yaloko. Mhlupheni amandla omnotho eSwatini ukuthi ende esiqiniseko ukuthi kuyasetshenzwa. Uyikhulumile President indzaba yeMoringa lelungiselela kuta kwe biodiesel factory. Seyikhona negroup Maswati lamahle yalabo labasebenta yona labatawulima leMoringa labangeMaswati iyemakhadi indzawo lapho bangalima khona. So nakhona kuloko Maswati siyacela ukuthi niti avail lofisa ukuthi abe part of that team, part of that community. Siyacela ukuthi nitivete Maswati lamahle ngoba kutaba nalama trainings la ongoing kuze ukuthi le Moringa letawu setshenzwa ibe at a certain standard. Anginike wena Chairman ubonge Maswati bese soyavalelisa kulomhlangano. Nami ngiyatibongela Maswati lamahle. Thank you so much.
Siyabonga Hlubi, akube kufishane kwami kubonga eMaswatini. Sihlezi kuyinvokodo ukuthi lokuthi lo mhlangano uphumelele ngiloko ukuthi nithi hluphe nani nibe khona kulo mhlangano nekuva nokuthi kuchubekane. Lokho kusinika ithemba ukuthi niyakholelwa ku-amandla omnotho eSwatini. Siyabonga nje kakhulu Maswati. Sibonge i-executive committee leti hluphako imihla ilali izama ukuthi lo mhlangano ube impumelelo nale conference ibe impumelelo. Siyabonga kakhulu lo. Wena wangasendla President, siyabonga kakhulu Shwabade, inhlito yakho, umoya wakho. Ngibona lo sihlanganisako nalo wenda ukuthi usimawuhleti ukuthi ngihleleni ngoba nanga umuntu uthi khandla ngemali yakhe asuke eSouth Africa etela imihla langabala ukuthi ufika ngaphi ngeke sengikhone kubala. Siyabonga kakhulu wena wangasendla Themba leMaswati ukuthi ube khona njalo masinemhlangano to grace nathi kusinike lithemba ukuthi sinaye babe lota ukhona ukuthi asichushise lapha nalapha. Sibonge ama-South Africans onke emave lakhona la joinako nalo umhlangano noma uwaseSwatini. Siyakubonga lokho kakhulu. Sithi nje ubusuku lobuhle uNkulunkulu asigcinele nina. uNkulunkulu achubeke asiphe kuhlakanipha, asiphe kuthula phakathi kwethu, asiphe umqondo wekokuthi kudandla lasinikete tona nengqondo lasinikete tona sikusebenzise ngendlela lefanele nasenzaweni lefanele nangesikhathi lesifanele. Good evening. Siyabonga kakhulu.
Thank you so much. C-Block.
Evening.